question says that the perpendicular bisector of a line segment joining the points P and Q. That means we are given a line segment. Let's say if I take the line segment as PQ, so this is any line whose coordinates P is given as 1, 4, and Q being given as K3. And the perpendicular bisector of this line segment, let's say if I draw this being the perpendicular bisector, let's say if I name this line as AB and this as point S, has y-intercept. That means we know the y-intercept of this line as 4, and we have to get the value of K. Now, what we can figure out that from here we can obtain the coordinate of the midpoint, that is this point S we can obtain using x1 plus x2 upon 2. So that is x1 plus x2 upon 2, that is k plus 1 over 2, k plus 1 over 2. And similarly, y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is 7 over 2. Now, once we obtain the coordinate of S, now I'm going to obtain the slope of this PQ. So slope of PQ is what? Slope of PQ using y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, that is minus 1 over x2 minus x1, k minus 1. Now, this, you know that when two lines are perpendicular, slope of one is negative reciprocal of the other. So I can say the slope of PQ, AB will be negative reciprocal of this. So negative reciprocal of this is k minus 1. Now check here, we know the slope of AB in terms of k. We also know a point through which this line is passing. So now we can obtain the equation of the line, and then we can get the value of k by comparing with this y-intercept. Now I'm obtaining the equation of the line, which is y minus y naught. Y naught is, 7 by 2 is equal to m, which is from here as k minus 1 into x minus x naught. X is x minus k is k plus 1 by 2. Now, for the further simplification, what I'm going to do is to convert this equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c is what I'm trying to obtain. Let's say if I do some simplification, that is if I take LCM, it's 2y minus 7 over 2. On the other side, it is k minus 1. And if I take LCM, this is 2x minus, I should keep another bracket for this k plus 1. Right. So we can say 2 and 2 get cancelled here. Now I'm going to simplify it further. So on the left hand side, we have 2y minus 7. If I open the bracket on the other side, it is 2 times k minus 1 into x. And then if I open this bracket, it's going to be k square, a plus b into a minus b, that is k square minus 1. Later, I can transpose 7 on the other side. This is 2 times k minus 1 times x. And if I open this bracket, this is minus k square plus 1. And transposing this minus 7 to the right-hand side. Now, if I have to transpose this on the other side again, because I'm going to isolate y here. So what I can see that on isolating y, dividing by this by 2 with y, I'm going to get k minus 1 over x. And dividing this by, this is minus k square plus 8, right? From 7 plus 1, that is 8, dividing by 2. So this is what its y-intercept. So y-intercept we got as this. This is what its y-intercept. Now, as for the question, you can see that the y-intercept is mentioned as minus 4 here. So what we can do, we can compare this with, that is minus k square plus 8 over 2 can be compared with minus 4. So what I can get, k square plus 8 on transposing 2 to the other side is going to be minus 8. Further, bringing this minus 8 to this side, or you can continue doing like one way, transposing this to the other side. So this get cancelled here. So we get k is equal to plus minus 4. So our answer is, that means the value of k is plus minus 4.